Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Honda CR-V. Begin by lightly sketching a rectangular base, which will form the main body of your vehicle. Next, add 2 circles for the wheels, making sure they are evenly spaced and sized. Then, gently outline the roofline, connecting it smoothly to both the front and rear sections of your initial rectangle. This establishes the fundamental proportions. Now let's refine the details. Carefully define the window shapes, including the windshield, side windows, and rear glass. Next, draw the distinct door lines, ensuring they curve naturally with the vehicle's body. Don't forget to add the front grille and headlights. These elements are crucial for giving your CR-V its recognizable character and expression. Pay attention to their placement. Moving on, it's time to add more realism. Detail the wheels by sketching the rims and tire treads, giving them a 3-dimensional look. Next, carefully sketch the front and rear bumpers, ensuring they integrate smoothly with the body and add a sense of depth. Finally, include smaller but important elements like the side mirrors and door handles to complete the vehicle's exterior. These small touches make a big difference. For the final touches, apply shading to your drawing. This will create depth and highlight the CR-V's contours, making it appear more 3-dimensional. Think about your light source to cast realistic shadows, adding to the overall effect. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.